Hey guys, welcome back to the Russian Woodworker. Anthony here. In this video I decided to try something a little bit different. I found this lamp on the side of the road for free and I decided to try repairing it and seeing if I could make a little bit of money with it. Stay tuned and see how I did. Enjoy the video. Я снимаю. Я снимаю. So as you can see from the video, the repairs weren't very difficult. They only took me about an hour from start to finish, taking it apart, repairing it, and putting it all back together. Soon after I repaired it, I put up 3 listings on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist, and I listed the lamp for $60 just to scope out my audience and see if I would get a bite or not. So in order to actually find the item and figure out what its title is and what it's worth, for example, this light was an Eagle lamp. I didn't know much else about it. So I searched Eagle lamp, then I scrolled down and clicked on sold items, and then I scrolled down until I saw something that actually looked familiar. This lamp looks pretty much exactly the same as the one that I have. And after I found this, all that I did was just copied the title and posted it into Facebook, OfferUp, and Craigslist, and then I wrote a simple description. So after a couple of days, I got my first bite. As you can see, this guy offered 40 bucks for the lamp. I told him let's meet in the middle at 50, to which he responded, I only have $40. Normally in this case, I would wait out as I just listed the item only 2 days ago, but I wanted to get the video out for you guys, so I accepted it. And soon after that, he came and picked up the lamp for $40. Overall, at the end of my experiment, after about an hour of work, I made $40 in profit. Usually you would pay something for an item, but if you can pick up stuff cheap enough and have extra time on hand, you can make money doing this, and it's actually pretty reasonable considering the time that you put in. With extra practice and training, you will get better at picking specific items that are more worth your time, but at least nowadays there's so much stuff out there that you can make money almost off of any item that is reasonably vintage and cheap enough for you to buy. This is what the final product ended up looking like. It is not perfect, but it is good enough for somebody to actually want to purchase it. I'm pretty satisfied with the overall look that I got for this lamp, and as you guys can see, somebody actually wanted to pay money for it. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this interesting, give it a like and maybe share it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.